Hey guys, Lynette here, and these spoilers are for FabFitFun Summer Edition. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, I'll put a $10 off coupon below and their link. These are coming to you from my subscription addiction. Remember, you get to get 4 choices of items that you personally want in your box. Then FabFitFun will include 4 additional items to that box. So stay tuned and let's check out what's coming in your box. Here we go. So what did you guys think? I know I was excited to make my choices. If you haven't gotten your box, definitely go ahead and get your box. I put their link below. If you dig videos like this, definitely like and subscribe so you guys can check out the next unboxing and spoiler. So can't wait to show your FabFitFun with you guys. Have a great day, guys.